Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if Dailymotion is constantly freezing or buffering. First of all, check your internet speed and make sure your connection is stable. To check your internet, click on the internet button, click on manage Wi-Fi and connection. Here you will see a test internet speed. You can click on it and test your internet speed. Now after that, refresh the page and try playing the video again. If the problem still continues, lower the video quality temporarily. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies by clicking on the three dots and clicking on delete browsing data. Now you can try using a different browser to see if the issue is browser related. If Dailymotion servers are experiencing high traffic, waiting a few minutes can also help. And that's it. That's how to fix Dailymotion buffering problem. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.